Hello students, welcome to this video. In today's lesson, I will talk to you about descriptive and possessive nouns. Some people get very confused when differentiating a descriptive from a possessive noun, but we have two simple rules to do so. The first rule here is a descriptive noun must never use an apostrophe. Now, some of us may already know that a descriptive noun gives you more information about the personality of the noun, or gives you more information about the noun. But it is a noun itself. I have some examples here written, and I will explain to you as we move on. The second rule is that a possessive noun must always use an apostrophe. Those are the two rules we have to differentiate a descriptive from a possessive noun. Alright, I have 8 descriptive and possessive nouns here written. The first one is French poodle. This is a descriptive noun. Why? Because if you said the small dog, it would be an adjective plus the noun. But we want a descriptive noun. We want a noun that will tell you more about the personality of the noun. So, French poodle describes or tells you that a dog is small, fluffy, gives you more information. So this is a descriptive noun. We are going to put here descriptive noun. The next one says librarian. Librarian. This is what somebody does. He or she is a librarian. So this noun here gives you more information about the personality. Librarian. You could say the smart man or the smart woman, but again it would be a simple noun plus an adjective plus a simple noun. But we want descriptive nouns. We want nouns that give you more information about the personality. So this again is a descriptive noun. Writer. Writer. This is also a descriptive noun. And as you can see, I am following the rules. A descriptive noun must never use an apostrophe. Alright, and the third one says hunter. These three tell you what a person does, and this one tells you what something looks like, or gives you more information about the personality of the noun. So we have 4 descriptive nouns on this side of the board. The next ones are Los Angeles Lakers. Some people often do this by mistake. They put an apostrophe after Angeles. Los Angeles Lakers. Like if the Lakers belonged to Los Angeles. They do, but the full name of the team is Los Angeles Lakers. So you do not need an apostrophe because this is also a descriptive noun. Not Los Angeles, it's Lakers. Los Angeles Lakers. Alright, the next one is Liz's. For example, you can say, this is Liz's marker. So we are talking about belonging. We are talking about possession. So this is why we are using an apostrophe and an S. And that is how we know that it is a possessive noun. The next one says Christina's. Christina's. You see the apostrophe and the S, and you notice right away that it is a possessive, that you are going to talk about possession or belonging. This is Christina's house. And the last one says the dogs. We have an apostrophe and an S after the subject, so we know that it is also a possessive noun or possessive form of the noun. Next, I will give you some practice words and more examples so that you can master this subject. Now you are going to help me figure out whether these are descriptive or possessive nouns, and if they need to be corrected or not. Alright, the first one says the gases industry. The gas apostrophe industry. Is it okay? Is that a possessive noun? It is the industry of the gas. The industry belongs to the gas. The gases industry. No, it is not. It is a descriptive. Remember, a descriptive noun gives more information on personality or on the noun itself. And also remember, the first rule is that a descriptive noun will never use an apostrophe, and a possessive noun will always use an apostrophe. So the only thing we are going to do here is take away the apostrophe. The gas industry. It is a descriptive noun. So we are just going to write here, descriptive noun. The next one says the Dallas Cowboys. The Cowboys belong to the Dallas. Do you think that's okay? No, it is not. This is also a descriptive noun. The Dallas Cowboys, not the Dallas Cowboys. But still, that is a very common mistake that people make. So the only thing we did here was take away the apostrophe, because remember that descriptive nouns will never need or use an apostrophe. So this is also a descriptive noun. The next one says Fabi's class. Is that a descriptive noun? Fabi's class. No, it is not. This one demonstrates possession, the class of Fabi. So here we are going to apply rule 2 and add an apostrophe. Fabi's class to show possession. And the last one says PJ's house. It also demonstrates possession, so we need an apostrophe before the lowercase s. Remember, a descriptive noun gives more information on personality, and a possessive noun demonstrates ownership or tells you something belongs to somebody. Next, I will leave you some homework, because remember that you need to practice as much as you can in order to improve your English. For homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using descriptive nouns in capital letters and possessive nouns in parentheses. Okay, if you have a workbook, please do your homework in your workbook. And if you don't, please leave your homework in the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next video.